ladies and gentlemen. We're going to have Mr. Lawrence.
Just want to really want to thank Exabytes Chan. We started get back to the road this by third week. At this point, and what we're doing here is around here. If you are a fresh graduate or you're a startup, you could be the SMB, you could be a large enterprise. Everyone has very good access and allows you to. That we have a region in Singapore, and we look at all the services.
Partner with or we jointly organize with AWS. Any form of different stages, digitize data, and
which I need to explain, right? What level that you are expecting from the vendor. Right? So that actually has transformed the different business model as well, moving to another domain. Right? And the solution and services that actually comes along, the hosting business when we first started off 21 years ago, we leverage on AWS capability. They are like.
Please put a warm welcome. Hands together for Dato Sri Lee Kachu.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning to all of you. Keep us sane for these 4 months. So today I just want to share with you some of this slide is just to bring you plenty of business of industrialization over and done. Just imagine that we are using technology.
Pivotal challenges in these days. I'd like to walk you through a journey of how Amazon.com to manage our upstream and downstream, how we evolve our fulfillment to get their goods faster. We are able to squeeze our margin. It's easy for us to build a statistic model to predict that. How do you predict for that? Confidence level on saying that this prediction is likely to be right or wrong. We are connected to the internet. How do we model it such that we can detect previously unknown relationship? When we first started, it was very we need the forecast services today. You have a machine on your factory shop floor and because in the next 2 to 3 years, what is the pitch? Just by optimizing some volume, produces SKU. And if the computer isn't sure,
Increase production and raise performance.
My colleague Weino Wong, SAP built into the business process. Working with AWS, who's the leading cloud service provider, we moved their SAP systems, their ERP systems to the cloud.
4 wheels and an engine. So redundant compute, storage, power, networking, even via high-speed, low-latency network links.
Leverage the algorithms. So, in the hemisphere, what we saw.
But good morning to you, SMEs in Penang as well, and it's really encouraging. So you took a bus from Singapore to. So he also led many interesting projects. So also have done many projects that he'll share later on.
nobody start with 100 million SKU product on day one. All the different industries that you serve. Once you collected all this data,
we can also share with you what other companies are looking at in terms of business outcomes.
in fact, being forced to digitize, to go online, combining AWS, our partner ecosystem solution and so on. There are tons of technology that we can leverage on. You put sensors there, collect the data.
Because of the lack of region. So for example, on AWS and the Amazon
it's what SAP enables. It's the arteries, the connected chicken.
And for increasing the outreach, such as sending the customer on AWS.
So we are going into the cloning technology.
Oh, so I don't take the heart out, the heart stays. So
on top of the standard actually.
Is it really expensive? AWS in SAP has got a
TCO and cruise
We have this technology.
If let's say we were to
our customers and potential customers. Some of them listed here are something which we see when we work with our business cloud. Then of course there are on the which means that you want to scale. Speaking about it, and maintain the performance of the application. They know how to, and you make use of them.
Then I want to talk about how we would apply that to the manufacturing unit. And then I'll talk about some programs that may be able to help you along the way. So in terms of the book reselling, that says data is a national asset. You know, data being hard to get. And before I even start looking at the results of that, or you can store unstructured data.
For unplanned downtime, $50 billion.
Ultimately, if the processes or the equipment is similar, then downtime naturally there is significant.
That's actually running, or in fact any kind of machine that's actually running, and
my name is Rick Isai. I have used it here
specifically just to solve interconnectivity. That specific framework that we developed is actually still rather new.